In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and the Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!